Hey everyone, Blaine Austin here at SewingMachinesPlus.com. Are you tired of your embroidery designs falling flat? Want to take your digitizing skills to the next level? Then you don't want to miss the Floriani Total Control Summit, a 3-day virtual event that will transform the way you approach embroidery digitizing. Join two of the nation's leading embroidery experts for a deep dive in the powerful Floriani Total Control software. Learn tips, tricks, and techniques that will unlock your full creative potential. And just for joining our event, you'll receive an exclusive swag bag full of goodies, including a trial version of the Floriani Total Control University, so you can follow along from the comfort of your home. All for just $199. This is an investment in your skills that will pay off for years to come. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Register now for the Floriani Total Control Summit and elevate your embroidery game. Join two of the best digitizers in the business,
Trevor Conquergood and Laurie Lagrange,
on August the 14th through the 16th. Hope to see you there.